Are you tired of clutter taking over your space? From sleek wall shelves to innovative under-bed storage, these 20 must-have home and kitchen organization gadgets are here to revolutionize how you organize and simplify your life. Whether it's your pantry, closet, or even your tech cables, we've got the perfect solutions for every corner of your home. Let's dive into these genius products that are all available on Amazon and guaranteed to make your life easier. Transform your walls into a functional and stylish space with BPA wall shelves. These rustic floating shelves are perfect for organizing books, plants, or decor in any room, whether it's the bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, or living room. With a sleek black finish, they blend seamlessly into modern or rustic interiors, adding charm and practicality. Easy to install, these shelves provide the perfect balance of elegance and utility, making them ideal for creating a cozy, clutter-free environment in your home. Tidy up your space with the Budding Joy 90L underbed storage containers. These breathable, foldable storage bags are made of high-quality, odorless fabric to keep items fresh during long-term storage. With a spacious 90L capacity, they're perfect for blankets, comforters, seasonal clothes, and even wrapping paper. The clear PVC window lets you quickly see what's inside, while reinforced handles and sturdy zippers ensure durability and easy access. Designed to fit under beds or in closets, they're an ideal solution for decluttering any room. Keep your closet neat with the legging organizer for closet. Each set includes 2 metal hangers with 10 rubber-coated clips each, securely holding up to 20 leggings, yoga pants, or similar items without leaving marks. These space-saving organizers hang easily in closets or on walls, eliminating clutter. Made from durable carbon steel with smooth, protective edges, they're perfect for jeans, skirts, shorts, and more. A thoughtful gift for anyone looking to simplify their wardrobe storage. Keep your caps organized with this stainless steel hat rack. Designed to hold 10 to 15 baseball caps per rack, it's sturdy, rust-resistant, and offers 3 versatile installation methods: self-adhesive for smooth surfaces, drilling for rough walls, or screws for wood. Mount it vertically or horizontally to suit your space, whether on doors, walls, or in closets. Beyond hats, use it to hang keys, handbags, or accessories, a sleek and practical way to declutter and display your favorite items. Transform your bathroom with the QEEIG wall-mounted floating shelves. Designed for damp environments, these shelves feature durable medium-density fiberboard and sturdy steel brackets that support up to 25 pounds. With a depth of 6.7 inches and a width of 15.7 inches, they're perfect for towels, baskets, or toilet paper storage. The farmhouse-style invisible brackets blend seamlessly with any decor. Easy to assemble with included instructions, these shelves provide practical storage while showcasing your style. Perfect for over-the-toilet storage and more. Keep your kitchen organized with the V-Top Mart airtight food storage containers. This 24-piece set includes BPA-free, clear plastic canisters in 4 sizes, ideal for storing dry goods like cereal, flour, and pasta. The stackable design maximizes pantry space, while side-locking lids with silicone gaskets keep food fresh and dry. Each container has a matching lid for convenience and easy cleaning. Bonus, 24 reusable labels are included to keep your pantry neat and customizable. Durable, practical, and stylish storage for your kitchen. The Home Kitchen Magnetic Knife Block Holder Rack combines functionality and style for your kitchen. Featuring double-sided strong magnetic suction with hidden neodymium magnets, it securely holds your knives in place. The anti-skid base ensures stability during use, while its solid acacia wood construction adds a touch of elegance. The smooth surface treated with natural vegetable oil makes cleaning a breeze. Designed for durability and environmental friendliness, this knife holder is a versatile and modern storage solution for your kitchen essentials. Gonfoam 3-tier expandable shoe rack. Organize up to 12 pairs of shoes with this sturdy metal shoe rack. It expands to fit your space, assembles in minutes, no tools needed, and supports heavy footwear with ease. Perfect for entryways, closets, and small spaces. This is the Topia Hanger 2-in-1 Belt and Tie Organizer. Maximize closet space with this solid wood hanger featuring 20 dual-purpose hooks for up to 30 belts and 30 ties. The unique U design securely holds belts, bras, hats, and necklaces, while the E design keeps ties wrinkle-free. Durable, foldable, and compact, it's perfect for organizing accessories in closets, dorms, or apartments. A versatile gift for anyone looking to declutter and stay organized. This is the travel jewelry box. Compact and chic, this PU leather jewelry organizer features a double-layer design with customizable compartments, perfect for storing rings, necklaces, bracelets, and more. It includes hooks and a pocket to keep items tangle-free. Measuring 6.3 inch by 4.3 inch and weighing just 7.76 ounces, it's ideal for travel or small spaces. The velvet lining protects your jewelry from scratches, making it both stylish and practical. A thoughtful gift for women on special occasions like Mother's Day, weddings, or birthdays. This is the Humble Crew Toy Organizer, a versatile storage solution with a sturdy wood frame and 20 durable plastic bins, 16 standard and 4 large. It offers 40% more storage than typical organizers and is designed for easy playtime and cleanup. The anti-tip straps and stabilizing braces ensure safety, making it perfect for kids aged 3 and up. Its compact design fits well in playrooms, bedrooms, or nurseries, helping keep toys, books, and craft supplies tidy and within reach. This is the Undershelf Storage Basket Organizer, a tool-free, adjustable rack that adds storage to your cabinets. Its sturdy design ensures stability without tilting, thanks to widened arms and dual protection. With a height-adjustable feature, it accommodates items up to 7 inches tall, making it versatile for kitchens, laundry rooms, or desks. Its compact size fits standard cabinets, providing a perfect spot for towels, plates, snacks, and more. Easy to install and remove, it's a practical organizer with a 90-day worry-free return policy. This is the Zongul 12 PCS rug tape, designed to prevent rug slipping and curling on any floor type. These reusable, washable grippers keep rugs securely in place while maintaining your floor's integrity. The tape is easy to install with labeled pieces for precise application. With no sticky residue, they're safe for hardwood, tile, and more. Simply clean and reuse when needed for lasting performance. A practical solution to keep your rugs tidy and your home safe from accidental slips. This is the MKO Key Holder Wall Mount, a sleek and functional organizer for your home. Featuring a modern matte black stainless steel design, it complements farmhouse or contemporary decor. Equipped with 6 sturdy hooks and a versatile mail tray, it securely holds keys, wallets, sunglasses, and more. Installation is easy with options for adhesive or screws, making it suitable for entryways, kitchens, or offices. Compact at 9.65 by 2.28 to 1.7 inch, it provides practical storage with style and durability. This is the Amazon Basics Foldable Portable Laundry Drying Rack, designed for energy-efficient air drying of clothes. Built from lightweight, rust-resistant steel with a white finish, it's suitable for indoor use. The accordion-style frame folds flat for compact storage and easy portability. With dimensions of 29.4 inch by 14.8 by 41.9 double nut H, it supports up to 32 pounds, making it a practical solution for drying delicate and everyday clothing while saving energy. This is the Theau Egg Holder for Fridge, a smart solution for organizing your eggs. With an automatic rolling design, it gently moves eggs forward for easy access. It holds 12 to 14 eggs, and its stackable drawer-style design lets you reload eggs without disturbing stored items. The quick removable inner tray makes restocking effortless, while the see-through top lets you monitor your egg supply. Made of clear plastic, it's easy to clean, hand wash only, not dishwasher safe. A patented design ensures functionality and durability in any kitchen. This is the Bamboo Floating Nightstand, a modern, space-saving bedside table designed for small spaces. Its wall-mounted design keeps your bedroom organized, while the minimalist bamboo finish complements contemporary or Japandi decor. Made from FSC-certified bamboo, it's sturdy, durable, and eco-friendly. The nightstand features a drawer for essentials, an open shelf for display, and versatile functionality, usable as a vanity or entryway cabinet. Fully assembled and easy to install, it includes all mounting hardware for quick setup. Stylish, practical, and sustainable. This is the HeBag Vacuum Storage Bags, a set of 10 jumbo space-saving bags perfect for organizing clothes, bedding, and more. Made from durable, airtight PA plus PE material, these bags reduce item volume by up to 80%, keeping your belongings safe from dust and moisture. Each bag features a double zip seal and triple seal turbo valve for secure compression. Reusable and compatible with any vacuum cleaner, the set includes a handy pump for travel convenience. Simplify your storage needs with ease and efficiency. This spaghetti container by Aji offers a 58 capacity, making it ideal for storing dry foods like pasta, flour, cookies, or rice. Its airtight silicone seal and clamp lid preserve freshness while keeping items dry and safe. With a stylish, stackable design, it adds charm to your kitchen counter or pantry. Made from impact-resistant plastic, this durable canister is built to last. Easy to clean and maintain, it's a practical yet decorative addition to any organized kitchen space. This cable management kit is the ultimate solution for decluttering wires. It includes 4 cable sleeves, 35 cable clips, 11 cord holders, 2 adhesive cable tie rolls, and 100 fastening ties. Made from durable materials, it ensures long-lasting use. The self-adhesive clips work on various surfaces like desks, walls, and cabinets, keeping cables secure and organized. The easy-to-use wire sleeves neatly enclose cords, while the ties and mounts provide versatile fastening options. Ideal for home offices, entertainment setups, or under-desk organization, this kit keeps your space tidy and cables safe. And that's a wrap on these 20 genius home and kitchen organization products. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and if you've already tried any of them, share your experience. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more amazing finds, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy organizing!